sa title ko. Actually, my inspiration why I joined here at Queen of the East is because someone inspired me to join here. And that would be our Queen of the East, reigning Queen of the East 2023, Miss Bicay Bautista.
Okay.
As we watch her MIQ journey, she has the advocacy state that mag-aral ka habang may nagpapaaral pa. And I wanted to continue her advocacy not only in Barangayan but also here in Queen of the East. I want to encourage all the people, especially the young generation, na ipagpatuloy ang pag-aaral nila no matter what happened. Dahil naniniwala po ako na ang edukasyon ang natatanging yaman na kailanman ay hindi maagaw sa ng iba.
That's very good. Tama yan. At tapang example mo, si Mikay ha.
So po.
Napakagaling ni Mikay. Okay. Good luck.